Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a video where yous are going to make my vision board with me. If you don't know what a vision board is, it's basically anything you want to manifest or have in your life, your goals, your dreams, basically print it out on a board and you put it where you see it every single day, and it's going to motivate you to kind of like achieve them goals or help you look forward to these things happening in your life. And I think that's a pretty good description on what a vision board is. I'll insert some videos here of my vision board, what it was. Guys, how good was my vision board for 2020? Like, I'm sorry, half the things on it are still my goals. It was kind of just ugly on that, you know, brown cardboard thing. So basically today we're just going to still use a few bits off that because that's from 2020 and we all know what 2020 was like. I don't think anyone achieved barely anything in 2020, like any goals, especially if it was traveling involved. So today, yeah, I'm gonna use mostly them again, but I'm also printing out a few new pieces that I'm gonna have, and I'm actually gonna stick this on my wall, which is in front of me. I'll show you. I'll actually show you the whole setup if I can. So that's it there. State of it now because all my shit's there when I'm filming. So if you're someone who wants to do a vision board, you're going to need either sellotape, blue tack, or a Pritt stick, like a glue stick. You're going to need a printer if you can get to one, and like I said, a phone or a laptop. These are some of the things I had on my vision board from last year, just a quick walkthrough. This is just like love, me and Craig, you know, keep it going, etc, etc. Alpacas, which is for the far future. So on my vision board you don't have to have just for the year, you can if you want, but like I've got like my big goals on it as well that are going to be on it like every single year, and one of those is going to be alpacas. I want to own an alpaca, pacas. This is goats in a tree. I also want to have goats in my life.
I have this printed out which says their opinions aren't your problem. Basically means don't listen to anybody else, you know, their opinions are irrelevant, you just do you, be you, stay true to who you are, don't listen to anybody else. I have a picture of a big house. I already had this with Lady Gaga, it's just from a magazine, and you know, she's my biggest inspiration for anyone who knows, and I just want her everywhere. Hello?
I have a bubble in my throat.
I have this lotto ticket, like I have this picture of a lotto ticket, because I want to win the lotto bitch. I have this picture printed out, and it has basically take care of yourself, and it's a girl like watering her head and flowers are going out of it. I have this picture of a girl doing someone's hair because, you know, I thought, you know, if there's anything I'd like to do, it'd probably be a barber, not a hairdresser, to do dreads. So a girl with dreadlocks. If you want your dreads, I mean, if you want dreads done, let me know. I really want to get into it. I just need to practice on people. It is expensive though. I have this printed out, which is Bora Bora. I have Bali. It's just like Bali in the sand and a picture. Again, I want to travel to Bali. I have this printed out which says vegetarian. It's more realistic than me going vegan. I'm definitely not vegan nor vegetarian. I eat a lot of chicken, but chicken's like the only thing I eat. I don't eat pig anymore whatsoever. And I only eat beef when I go to McDonald's, or I get spaghetti bolognese from Donatello's in Minute. And then I have this, which I think is really good. Like it has, you know, like meditation, yoga, sleep, health, I assume exercise, and again, like health, I suppose. So that's like good.
To do what?
I want to do all of that basically. I have a picture of like a plane going over the world, which is like travel the freaking world. I have a little picture of pantries, and I have Orlando because, you know, Florida, Orlando is my second home. I love it. It's where I want to be. I was meant to be there in 2020, and you know, it couldn't go. So that's going to be on my vision board because eventually I want to be able to afford to go to Florida every single year. We will see. I have this picture of money because we all want the dollar bills. I want to be rich AF. I have this which says stay true to yourself and feel right in. Book that I like, which has everything happens for a reason, which I believe in. Paper shredder, that's shredding a piece of paper that says negative thoughts. Get them negative thoughts out of your head, girl. A piece of paper that says this is my year. And then a ticket for interrailing, which I also want to do. I would love to go interrailing as soon as possible. And then I have this little picture which has, this is the symbol of, what's it say? This is the symbol for unconditional love. Whether or not that's true, I don't know.
So that's really quick, just what I have. Now I'm going to take out the laptop and we're gonna do a bit of searching and just see what else I want on my wall. I did write down already a few things that I want on my wall. I want to go viral, you know, whether it be on TikTok or something. I want to go viral. Please let me go viral. Tattoos, I want to stick up a few tattoos that I want to get done. I thought that would be cool, you know, then you see them every day and see if you actually even want them. And then I have quotes. We're gonna do some little diddly daddling right now. Basically, one of the first things I'm gonna search then is the subscribers. So by the end of the year, how many subscribers do I want to have? I would 100% like 1,000 subscribers. So I'm just gonna search 1,000 subscribers, and then I'm just gonna go to images, and you basically just find what one you like. I like this 1,000 subscribers, and I kind of like this one too. I don't know what one I prefer. So yeah, we're gonna keep this one. Okay, another thing I want to add to it is viral, so I'm just gonna search literally viral. Go to images, and again you just find what you kind of like. So I'm just gonna go into images now and look at some of the motivational quotes that they got. I like that one. You only fail when you stop trying. That's actually very fucking true. You didn't come this far to only come this far. That's a cool one, because it's like, you know, I didn't come this far on YouTube to then stop doing YouTube. I like that one. Well, there's just a few of the quotes that I like, so I'm gonna get on to the printing process. Okay, so I've got my paper, I've got my printer out. I'm just getting the paper in there, yum yum yum. And I have everything now ready to print, so I'm just gonna start printing. So it's now the morning after, and I'm basically just going to get everything up on my wall now. I've tanned, I've done another bit of makeup because I don't want to be looking crazy AF filming these videos. So this, oh, I didn't tan my hands. Anyway, we're starting off with like a completely blank canvas, except for this art piece that I have of me and Craig. I think my plan is to just work around that. I don't think I'm going to take that down. I don't think I have enough stuff to fill the whole wall anyway. Oh yeah, I need to check my bleach test strand. I have a strand of hair that I'm bleaching, so I'll show you guys. It didn't really lift at all. Well, it seems to be only underneath actually. 2 seconds guys, I'll be back filming in a minute. Okay, so I'm back and I have my sellotape and I have all my cutouts basically that I'm going to stick up on the wall. Okay, so this is the current setup. Yeah, I think I'm just going to time lapse this part. The finished look. This is my vision wall more than a vision board. I'm going to talk you through my favorite ones. This is like one of my favorites because I absolutely love that. Imagine that on me there, be nice. Again, dreads to motivate me to start doing them. I also love this tattoo. This is tattoo inspiration. I like this quote, visualize your highest self and start showing up as her. I've got this here to represent all my plants. Make sure they're nice and healthy and growing. I have YouTube, 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch time, which is what I need to like kind of be official, so to say. I like this, you only fail when you stop trying. I love money. This is my year. This is really cute. This is actually my nanny's handwriting and it's like one of my favorite quotes, which is make today count. I like this, we cannot become what we want by remaining what we are. And I like to stay true to yourself. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed doing my wall with me, and I hope you get inspiration from this. If any of you decide to do a vision board, you know, it doesn't have to be this big, please let me know, tag me in it, send it to me. I'd love to see it. Maybe I can get inspiration of yours. And yeah, follow me on my Instagram. I'll have it pop up down here down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Actually, I thought I wasn't filming. Or a Pritt stick? No, blue tack. Subscribe. How do my vision for how the fuck do I open a new tab on this? Jesus Christ. It says it the fuck is that? Goodbye.